Hello traders, today is the 20th of January, Wednesday 2021, and I would like to share with you, as always, my best forex trade analysis and the result. Today we had amazing volatility, beautiful analysis and beautiful pips. Most of the traders bank amazing profit. Even one of the traders banked 300 pips today, and I'm going to show you how he banked 300 pips today in more details. But if you would like to know how I help other traders with the live intraday analysis in real time with the live market, please watch that video, and the link is given somewhere in the video description. And I'm also offering free one-to-one consultation if you would like to discuss your forex challenges, or if you want to know how to learn forex trading effectively and successfully and bank some profit, or especially how to get funded. My availability calendar link is also given somewhere in the video description, so feel free to book one-to-one consultation. All right, so let me show you guys how one of my traders banked 300 pips today, step by step. Okay, first of all, we're using this platform and for training and education, and plus for the live intraday analysis and for live trading too. All these analyses are intraday analysis alongside the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary, and I analyze market twice a day, just before London Open 7:30 in GMT and 2 p.m. GMT. That's just before the opening bell, and all the live analysis instantly recording available in the training section, and also those analysis broadcast in the analysis section. And then afterwards, once the analysis broadcasted, we watch those analyses, and if the opportunity is raised based on those analyses, we broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary support and through the analysis section. All right, so let me show you the live analysis recording. As always, I'm going to show you the pound dollar today because let me show you and then I'll explain to you a bit more. So just give me 1 second. Okay. All right, so let me zoom it first. Cable. Wow, cable, you can see here. This morning I explained to you, am I going to respect, otherwise going to break and it's going to hit the final target, which price nicely hit the profit target. And as I said to you guys today morning, just look for the momentum. And I also mentioned before I leave the counter short trade at this level, and I explained to you guys if the price is going to be around that fib channel, and if you see any reversal and the price is here, then we should be taking a short trade here, which price you can see here. And I mentioned about this counter short trade, and I explained to traders that look for when price is very close to the red fib channel, that's level, and you can see that's the level. And one of the traders, I think, banked beautiful pips short trade here. Right now we can see here price is still respecting this level, its support level, with this small rejections. Look like the price is respecting. Am I going to see another possibility? Price might going to develop a double top and then reverse. That's the possibility. And if the price break this support, then short trade here. Let's see what's happening here. Is if you look at and if you look at respected here, and even if you look at here, this one respected here, respected here, respected here. So safest trade for me to look for this breakout opportunity on. Based on the momentum, there's still possibility am I going to see the pullback short trade here. Or if you really want to see, because the 4-hour mentioned the rejection, so we can see here, we can see, let's see, and this is the level which price broken, right? See here, these are the possibilities, and momentum is bearish. And if you look at here, as you can see here, price respected. So we're looking another possibility of pullback short here. Because as you know that the price has finished one cycle here, coming back nicely hit, and then we'll find out. So that's what exactly we're looking at, pullback based on the momentum. Because since this pullback happened, this is very small pullback double top, but Let's see. And if the price break and retest, then we're looking at long trade here. Alright guys, now you have seen this pound dollar live analysis recording, and I want to show you the result. But before that, I want to show you one of my trader trading result. As I mentioned, he banked 310 pips. You can see here, most of them winning. Only have one small losing trade, minus 2 pips, but most of them is winning. And the best trade he had is 87 pips pound dollar long trade. And if I show you this trade ID, and if you remember yesterday when I showed you this analysis, and one of his trade was open that time, and I said to you guys that probably he's going to be waiting to hit the profit target. So that trade was open at this level. You can see here at this level, and nicely the price hit this level. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, the video link is given in the video description. You can watch that one. One of the trade was is open. So now this morning he banked beautiful pips, 87 pips on pound dollar. Again, that was the based on the analysis. Let me share with you the pound dollar in 4-hour chart, just to explain to you guys. If you haven't seen my previous analysis, just watch that one. I've been analyzing this market, that we had this inside candle pattern. We had this first target, which is nicely hit, and he left this trade open, and he took this trade yesterday, and he banked today as soon as the price hit this level. That's the one trade he made 87 pips based on the intraday analysis. Okay, so now, and the analysis I showed you the live analysis recording. Just let me share with you the whole journey of the pound dollar, so you will understand, and you will understand that how deeply we analyze market in a high time frame and shorter time frame. So let me share with you 4-hour. We had this breakout this morning. We did analysis. Let me share with you. If I show you here, this is the analysis. Okay, yeah, that's the analysis. Basically he made 87 pips. Then afterwards you can see 7:39 we did this analysis, pull back long, and then what happened? Price nicely developed, pulled back, and banked beautiful pips. Afterwards, because we were watching in 4-hour, which you have seen it in a live recording as well, that I mentioned for counter short trade, if the price, because I explained traders, if the price is going to hit that level, and if the price is going to respect this trend resistance, then we should taking a counter short trade. And then you can see here, this is the counter short trade, bank beautiful pips. And then again at the New York session, which is the live recording, you just have seen it, we mentioned to another pullback trade, short trade. That's the first priority. And then what happened afterwards? Beautiful pullback short trade, bank beautiful pips. And then we did another analysis. As soon as the price developed another pattern, another breakout, short trade. So you can see that we analyze the whole pair. As soon as the price moves, pair moves, we instantly broadcast that analysis. As soon as we see any price patterns, plus the price is at the major support and resistance, we broadcast that information instantly. So now look at his trade. First he made it 87 pips. As you know that the system capture as soon as he open the position, my trader open the position, or as soon as they close the position, because that's what we coach and train, because we analyze their trades and we give them feedback instantly. So this is the open position, we had it, we based on the analysis, and this is the place where he banked the profit, because he was communicating. He said to me, I said, as soon as the price is going to hit to the daily resistance, bank beautiful pips. He banked that profit, right? And based on the another analysis, he opened another short trade as soon as he closed his trades. You can see his open price exactly at the daily resistance. He took another short trade, because we have this system which basically help us to define the market cycle. And you can see this red fib channel. This is what we count as the price is finished one cycle. Price need a retracement in order to continue the same trend. So he banked some profit, he opened another short trade based on the analysis, and he banked the first target we mentioned, as you can see in the video as well, that our target was 200 EMA. So he banked that, I think 65 pips from here to here very nicely. And he also take another short trade on this another scaling trade, and 25 pips. You can see 25 pips again based on that analysis video you just have seen previously. Based on that analysis, he took another short trade, banked beautiful pips. So you can see that all his trades are 100% based on the analysis which I broadcast instantly. And look at the other trades. Let's talk about the dollar CAD. He made a 52 pips, and if I show you here, we had this breakout trade, and he holded that trade, and afterwards, just before the news, he held that trade and he put his stop loss here, and then price nicely hit to the profit target, which you can see again based on that analysis of dollar CAD. Let me share with you the dollar CAD analysis. Yeah, this was the analysis. Based on that, he took a short trade and he banked beautiful pips again, 52 pips on that trade. So he had it another one, this one pound yen trade based on the analysis, beautiful long trade, which I can share with you guys, the pound yen analysis. You can see he based that on analysis pullback, beautiful pullback, as long as the momentum is bullish, beautiful pips. And then he took a 2 short trades on euro pound. That was beautiful analysis as well. You can see this was pretty straightforward. You can see here triangle pattern breakout. Based on that, he banked beautiful pips. You can see here based on this analysis, because we're watching in 4 hour. Based on that, we had a beautiful breakout. You can see first target and the second target nicely hit, and he made it twice, 130 pips and another one is 27 pips. So altogether he banked 310 pips, and all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast, and all the live analysis recording is here and all the information is here. So guys, you can see it. Okay, let me share you a couple of analysis. You can see we have plenty of analysis today. I'm not gonna go all of it, but just to explain to you, the best pair we had managed to bank beautiful pips was the pound dollar and the dollar CAD, but especially the pound dollar, as I explained to you. And that's what exactly we're looking at. So tomorrow, what we're looking here is, as you can see, as we explained, the price nicely hit to the profit target. You can see the price broken. So we're looking here, if the price is going to respect, then possibility we're going to be taking a pullback long and might not hit double top. Or if the price is going to break, how we're going to find that information? We have this momentum chart, you can see it guys, and that's what we're going to analyze tomorrow, and we'll see this breakout. You can see beautiful triangle pattern is developing it, and that's what we're going to analyze market, and we're going to trade tomorrow. All right, so let me share with you a few analysis just to help you guys. This was the analysis, a pullback, long trade. As you can see, this was the analysis, the New York session. We had a pullback long. I'm not sure what's happening right now, but we banked beautiful pips on pound dollar Swiss franc before, based on the morning analysis. You can see here, based on the morning analysis, 741, beautiful breakout, bank beautiful, nicely profit on this one. Okay, let me share with you Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward breakout, beautiful long trade. And dollar yen, we had a beautiful breakout short trade. You can see here all these analysis. So trader pick which pair they like it mostly, and the bank beautiful pairs. Pound Swiss franc, this one again is a counter which we explain, if the price is going to respect, then I explain to my trader, then the head and shoulder pattern is developed, which is nicely developed. Price literally came down, and beautiful breakout counter short trade on pound Swiss franc. And this was the trade basically, as you see that he, as I mentioned on the recording. And Euro USD, we had a beautiful trade, as you can see here, beautiful pullback, very beautiful short trade. Another best trade we had it, that was the Euro yen. That was a beautiful trade. Yeah, you can see here, because we're watching in 4 hour. Let me share with you guys the 4 hour just to give you an idea. 4 hour, we were watching in 4 hour. You can see here we had a beautiful price nicely developed this rejection at the level and once we have the three top, triple top, so we announced the take for this wedge breakout, which nicely broke out, and I explained to my trader in the recording that that was my first target and this is the final target, which is the first target, nicely hit. But of course, trader don't trade all of the pairs. They just specialize certain pairs, which is their personal favoritism, so they like it, which pair they like it. But you can see even just a couple of 2 or 3 pairs, 300 pips, you can see all this analysis, most of them we had amazing trades today. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time with the live audio support with the and with the 4-hour analysis, or even if you don't have forex trading experience, we also provide full forex coaching and training through this platform. Or even if you are struggling it, I'm pretty sure with this platform you can develop your trading skills effectively. We also provide funds to successful trader, but if you already have funds and if we would like to make a profit, we also help you in that regards through this platform. Or even if you are experienced trader and would like to bank all that pips every single day, as you can see it, most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, I hope you enjoy all these analysis details, and once again, my availability calendar link is given somewhere in the video description. Feel free to book a free one-to-one consultation, and have a nice evening, and thank you for watching this video guys, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.